Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel, Beauty and Health. Today, we're delving into a topic that's close to our heads and hearts, our hair. Specifically, we're talking about hair growth, reducing hair loss, and promoting a healthy scalp. And what's the magic ingredient we're featuring? Aloe vera. Yes, you heard it right, the humble aloe vera that might be sitting in your garden or balcony as we speak. But why aloe vera, you ask? Well, aloe vera is known to strengthen hair, make your scalp healthier, and has been used for centuries for its healing properties. Aloe vera is a rich source of vitamins A, C, E, and B12. Minerals such as copper and zinc, essential amino acids, plant steroids, and fatty acids, which are all considered important for hair growth and health. Another reason aloe vera might be beneficial for hair health and thus indirectly aid in reducing hair loss, due to its potential ability to deep clean oily hair without damaging the hair strands. Aloe vera has enzymes that can break down fats and strip the hair of any extra oil, sebum, making it an efficient natural cleanser for the hair shaft. Furthermore, aloe vera is thought to possibly promote hair growth by reducing hair breakage and loss. Anecdotal evidence suggests that a chemical compound called olenin found in the aloe vera plant might promote hair growth, as found in people with a hair loss condition called alopecia. Now, a brief history lesson. Aloe vera has been used since ancient times as a medicinal plant. In fact, its use dates back to the early Egyptians, who called it the plant of immortality. They used it in their beauty regimen for skin care and hair treatment. Isn't that fascinating? So, what makes aloe vera so special? First, it calms an itchy scalp. If you've ever had dandruff, you know how annoying it can be. Aloe vera can help with that. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe scalp irritation and treat dandruff. It also deep cleans oily hair, without hurting your hair strands, preserving their integrity. Now, let's get down to business. How can you use aloe vera for your hair? It's simple, really. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, scoop out the fresh gel from its leaves. You can also buy aloe vera gel from a pharmacy. Apply this gel directly to your scalp, massage it in for several minutes, then leave it in for up to 30 minutes before rinsing it out with a mild shampoo. Voila, you've just given your hair a nourishing aloe vera treatment. You could also add natural products like avocado, honey or coconut oil to make a nourishing hair mask. A little caution here, though. Before you slather your scalp with aloe vera, do a small patch test on the inside of your wrist and wait for up to 2 hours to see if your skin reacts poorly. This will let you know if you have an aloe sensitivity. Also, don't forget to run the fresh aloe gel through a tight knit strainer before use to avoid small particles in aloe from leaving residue on your hair. Remember, your hair is your crown, and you deserve the best. Even though more scientific evidence is needed to definitively prove the benefits of aloe vera gel for hair, why not give it a go? With little to no risk, it just might be the hair care solution you've been looking for. Alright, lovely people, that's all from us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, and see you in our next video.